Hi parents, welcome to our Reach Up and Learn Toys Corner. We want to keep our little scholars going. So here's how to use our toys for early stimulation. Let's go! Hi parents, this is another Reach Up and Learn pictures to talk about. Now, this one is where you can have conversation with your children. It helps with cognition, language, as well as social and emotional skills development. Now with this picture to talk about, there is so many things you can ask. Ask the child, for example, who is this? What is she doing? She's writing on a chalkboard. She is a teacher. What is she writing on the chalkboard? Numbers. Great. Can you tell me the numbers that are on the board? 1, 2, 3. Good job. Now here we have a kite. Do you know the shape of this kite? That's right. It's a diamond shape. Where do you fly a kite? Can you tell me some of the colors on the kite? Blue, red, yellow, and green. Great job. This is a chair. Good job. What do you use a chair to do? Is there chairs in your home? At school? Where else do you find chairs? You can ask these questions and many more. Remember to praise your child when he or she answers the questions correctly. Don't be afraid to be wrong. Have fun! Reach up, play, interact, talk, learn.